Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will customize the pagination control in the master detail view. Here if you see, in the last video, we displayed numbers, and based on the number system, we navigated between the records. Right. This time we will customize the pagination numbers in terms of first, previous, next, last. So first we'll move to the very first record, last will move to the last record. So previous will move one record ahead and next will move to the next record. Alright, now let's go to the demo. So customizing it is simple. If you see here, under pager settings, we set these bold text properties. First, we changed the mode from numeric to next, previous, first, last option. Then we changed the first page text as first, last page text as last, and these are all the changes we did. Right, now let's look at here, select start from employee, and these are all the employee, and in that this specific ID has the employee detail Victoria P. Ashworth, and hire date is 13/9/1990. Right, now let's run this, and you can see the pagination is changed here. Right, since we are at the very first record, we are seeing next and last. So if you go to last record in this table, we will be seeing previous and first. Because we are at the last record, you won't see the next option. Right, now let's go to the first record and click next, and this time if you see first, previous, next, last options are displayed. You can navigate through the record, and if you see VPA 30890F, which we already queried here, the details are first name is Victoria P. Ashworth and hire date. All those stuffs are displayed here as a single record. So that's the usage of detail view. So you can work with one record at a time. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.